Let's go 3. Lesson 24. How was the weather on Monday? Listen and repeat. How was the weather on Monday?
It was sunny.
How was the weather on Tuesday?
It was rainy.
How was the weather on Wednesday?
It was cloudy.
How was the weather on Thursday?
It was stormy.
How was the weather on Friday?
It was snowy.
How was the weather on Saturday?
It was windy.
How was the weather on Sunday?
It was foggy.